Good morning! Welcome to our channel. Magandang tayo lahat. Upload lahat. Pagdagintian. Charot. Tignan nyo naman. Nandito ako sa mismong harbor. Kasi paalis na kami dito. Nag 2 nights lang kami dito. So, pa sa island of the island of the island of the island. Ito yung place. Kita nyo yan, back to back. Tapos ito farm. Ito farm. O, diba? Ayun yung harbor. Yan yung La Rochelle. They call it La Rochelle. This one. And this one. Yan, you can beach here, mga beach. O, park. O, diba? Ang ganda. Kasi ganda na ating lahat. Alam mo yan. Diba? O, lalabas din ang park. Ayan o. Diba? Ang ganda. Bago kami bumiyahe. Yeah. And yes, we are approaching now to
Bridge. Oh wow, it looks so big from here.
Yeah. It looks so big.
Now on the right you can see the big harbor.
Yeah, this is the harbor from
La Rochelle.
La Rochelle harbor. Harbor of La Rochelle into the bridge of all the bridges. Oh wow, so strong, people, and windy.
Maybe they have electric bike. Always but if not strong, very strong.
Very look like similar to Netherlands. And then you can walk around also. And then this is the harbor of the harbor of La Rochelle. Electric is okay.
Yeah, but that man was really tough. No battery, just manpower.
Wow. Diba? Ang saya, oh. Kita ang harbor. The production of all production. Kijk. Oh.
Yeah, maybe also
that's
the
a fabric.
Storage.
Yeah. Ayan na, ang La Rochelle. Oh.
Actually, from here you cannot see they have a very beautiful historic center in that city.
Oh, meron nangyari sa amin mga kamimi. Nakalimutan ko yung isang bag na puno ng mga charger and everything. Kasi habang naghihintay kami sa reception kanina, nakakairita pa dito. Wala man lang sumasagot sa reception. 12, babalik pa sila hanggang 2 o'clock. Wala kaming choice, babalik kami doon. Lahat ng charger namin, books ko nandoon. Wala dito, wala dito sa likod. Buti na kasi kukunin ko yung books eh. That's why I wanted to get the book. Then when I found it,
no,
it's not here. So we need to go back in the hotel. We are more than how many hours already? 1 hour already with driving.
Yeah, more. And a lot of toll because the bridge is €8 again. We cannot help it. No choice. We need to. Yeah, we just missed the last stop, so we need to continue and then go back.
No, normal.
Yeah, we got a lot of time, so I can drive the touristic road. Yeah.
While I'm waiting you in the reception, just like that. Kasi nakaano pa, tapos tinanong pa nung ano kung ano. Ang daming eksena ng ano hotel. Yung isang araw hindi kami makapasok gawa ng code. Tapos hindi nilinis yung aming room kahapon. Nag-request lang kami ng bagong ano, nakalimutan daw. Kanina umaga yung breakfast, ang tigas ng tinapay. Ano ba yan? Tapos ngayon, oh yan, nakalimutan ko naman habang nag-iintay kami. I remember I stand up eh.
Yeah. You forgot to check. It's because the checkout was taking a long time.
Yeah.
Already and then, you know, I almost decided already to bring more things to the car.
That's why I told you bring it first. Oh. Now I forgot. Oh shit. Sorry.
Nou ja, even kijken.
Eto na nga mga kamimi, pabalik na kami, na-stress ako. Sorry naman ako sa Jordan kasi it's my fault. I'm just a human.
Yeah, instead we're now enjoying a beautiful landscape instead of
Yeah, no, it's just like enjoying like this guy. Ito na lang yung aming magandang aming pagbabalik, oh, di ba? This is much more nice than the other one.
Yeah, true, and no toll.
Oh, this one no top. You can drive her back.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Oh. This is much more nice. This Google this is the way going back there.
Yeah, I just turned on the option, but it's pretty hidden the with toll roads.
Yeah. Sorry naman, Scott. It's my fault.
Yeah, except
ito na lang ang aming pampaganda sa aming view. Buti na lang wala pa kami sa kalahati, mga 1 oras pa lang kami nagda-drive paalis ng hotel. Buti na lang may mga pagagandang view like this.
Oh, that's the sunflowers. They will harvest soon.
Ganda, oh, Divine. Happy na lang tayo mga kamimi. Hi mga kamimi, nandito kami sa Buffalo Grill. Nag-stop over muna kami. Kaya sabi ko sa jowa, ititirit ko siya ng bonggang-bonggang lunch. Dahil sinagawa kong nakalimutan ko yung aming importanteng bagay. So halfway na kami sa hotel. Almost 30, not more than 30 minutes na sa hotel na tayo. Right? Kain-kain na siya. So for lunch. Yeah.
Merci.
So for lunch. Enjoy the lunch, the big lunch.
Good. Only one sign that I see is when I was actually overtaking station service. I think, oh no, actually we need to stop.
Okay.
Turn to the right, and now we are here.
Ito na ang aming lunch, big lunch today.
With veggies.
Super big lunch. May veggies siya.
Lekker.
And french fries. And your grill. I thought this is cover.
Blue de filet.
Ah. That's it. Let's try the con carne. Yan, nalaglag.
The chicken is approved.
Beans. Chicken.
So lekker.
Nag-dry. French fries. Sarap. Oh yes, malapit na kami. 1 minute na lang nasa kami dito sa hotel na ang pinagalingan. Talagang nakaka-fagod. Nakaka-fagod ito dahil. Where's the hotel?
Probably.
Where's the hotel?
It is where we walk.
Oh my God. Yes, nakuha ko na yung bag. Ito yun, oh. Kaya kami bumalik. Lahat ng charger nandito. Yan, nandito lahat ng charger. Tapos yung pabango ko pa nandito. Nandito din yung pabango. Nandito din yung bago kong book. Yung Bluma kong book. Yung prayer book ko. Meron pa yan. Lahat ng book ko nandyan. ang pinaka-importante, nandito din yung, Scott, also this one.
Yeah.
And ang pinaka-importante, nandito yung aking SD card. Yung mga SD card ko nandito. Ay nako. Lalagay ko na nga siya sa isang bag. Kaya ako kasi siya pinagbubukod-bukod para alam ko kung saan ko siya kukunin. Naiwanan ko dun sa upuan kanina. Kasi nga, ito kasing jowa eh. Ay, sabi ko kasi dalhin na muna yung mga gamit. Ayun, nag-intay kasi siya dun sa sa reception. Nag-intay din ako. Ngayon, nag-aantay siya sa booking. Yan, naghahanap na siya kung saan kami pupunta. At least this time is relaxed while he's looking. So, eto na nga. Wala nang 30 minutes. Pero kanina nakatanggap ako ng tawag mula dun sa amin sa pag-i-stayan ng Airbnb. Ano lang kami sana pero side yun ng river. Airbnb habang nanonood din kayo ng mga ng way. So ito na nga. Tumawag yung yung kasi hindi kami nag-link kami sa booking.com kasi minsan ang mahal ng booking.com. Ang ginagawa namin, tinatawagan namin yung room o yung hotel o yung nadala na kami nung last time. So nag-extra ang jowa ng 20 euro. So we try to book via telephone. Nasasabihin namin darating na kami ng ganitong oras, ganitong date. Isinend niya sa akin yung link. Kaso hindi ko natanggap kasi international call from France to Netherlands. Ang phone ko, ang line ko is Netherlands. So ang nangyari, meron na nakabook. So yung aming room hindi na namin nakuha. So wala na, fully book, which is nice naman yung guy. Tapos binibigyan niya kami ng bagong room sa iba. Kaso medyo expensive. So kasi nga last minute. So ayun na naman, wala pa kaming room na may stayan tonight. So mag-dinner muna kami ng bahagya para kami ma-freshen up, and then after nun maghanap kami ng book na room kahit saan na lang muna for tonight. Ganun talaga, may mga days talagang di ba? Pagod si kami, pagod na din ang jowa. Sorry naman. Okay, update sa aming bakasyon. Sa wakas, nandito na kami sa Best Western. Oh my God. Meron pang aeroplano. Ayun. Ayusin na namin yung gamit namin. At kami mag-check-in na at pagod na. Thank you, Scott.
Yeah.
At narito na kami. Dito na kami mag-check-in ng isang gabi. Then diretso na kami ng Spain tomorrow.
I smell the bananas.
Yes. Malapit ito sa airport, no? Bordeaux. Nasa Bordeaux kami, France. Ganon, madilim tayo mga kami. Oh my God, another problem again. They said it's fully booked, but we already booked here in the Best Western. What we gonna do? Ano ba yan whole day? Stressful. And then this, nakapagod. They said already it's fully booked, and then now we are in the Best Western right now. We will go now. And then fully booked. Where we gonna go? This is not normal. All days like this. Akala ko dito na kami mag-check-in, mga kamimay. Itong jowa ay nakakita ng another website sa Google. Baka scam yun. You need to check that's your credit card, Scott.
Yeah, but the good thing in your credit card, you are actually protected for scammers. So,
Oh, grabe. Tapos pupunta na naman kami sa ibang hotel. This is the unplanned talaga. This day, oh my god, I hope the last one is the
don't expect too much.
I don't expect too much as long as we are safe and we have a place tonight. I don't mind it.
True.
In the Philippines, I can sleep somewhere, everywhere. But I'm only thinking of you.
The only thing, we need to sleep apart from each other.
I don't mind. It's better.
Sometimes.
Disturbed me 2 days already. Nanggigigil na talaga ako. Alam ko na mamali ako kanina, pero ano na yun eh. Sabi ko kasi kanina tawagan niya muna. Call it. Hindi na naman siya nakinig. Ay, buwan ko yan. 100, magkano? 127? Bye-bye.
Nee, niet bye-bye. Ik krijg ook.
You will get that?
Nee, niet eens. Gewoon mijn bank gaat er gewoon... die gaat waarschijnlijk Traveler ook nog blacklisten. Dat komt wel helemaal goed.
And yes, sa wakas nakabook na kami dito. Diyan kami nakabook. Bilisang book talaga ang ginawa. Titingnan muna namin yung kwarto bago kunin yung ibang gamit. At ako'y pagod na pabalik. Halika na. Yeah, ito na yung room namin mga kamame. Ito na oh. Dahil sa bilisang ganun pa. Oh, yan ang room. Ayan. Toilet. Yan ang toilet. Ayan. Oh, yan. Yan ang toilet. May bathtub. Oh. Ayan pala yun. Para lang motel ito. Look like motel.